Hi everyone, welcome to our video on WordPress maintenance and best practices. Hi, this is Nick Patel from 9 Gravity. I am here to answer all of your questions about keeping WordPress website running smoothly and securely. WordPress is most powerful content management system that power over 40% of all the websites on internet. However, like any other software, WordPress also requires regular maintenance updates to keep it running smoothly and securely. In this video, I'll cover most of the frequently asked questions about WordPress maintenance. I'll also provide some tips and resources that will keep your WordPress website running at its best. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question 1. Why is WordPress maintenance important? WordPress maintenance is important for several reasons. First, it keeps your website running smoothly and efficiently. A well-maintained WordPress website will load faster and be more responsible and be less likely experiencing downtime. Second, WordPress maintenance helps to protect your website from security weaknesses. Hackers are constantly looking for the ways to exploit weaknesses in your websites. So it's important to keep your websites up to date and install security plugins. Third, WordPress maintenance helps you to improve your website's SEO. A well-maintained WordPress website will likely to rank higher on Google search engine results page, which can lead into more traffic and conversions. Question 2. What are the best practices for WordPress maintenance? There are a number of best practices that you can follow to keep your WordPress website running smoothly and securely. This includes keeping your WordPress website up to date. Well, WordPress releases new updates regularly to fix security vulnerabilities and improve performance. It is important to install all these updates as soon as possible. Install security plugins. Security plugins can help you to protect your websites from hackers. There are a lot of security plugins available in the market. You can choose according to your requirements. Third, what are some reliable methods for backing up WordPress websites and how frequently you should have to back up your WordPress websites to ensure max security? You need to back up your website on regular basis. In the event of website crash or hack, you will be able to restore your websites from a backup. There are a number of ways to restore your website from backups. You can choose it accordingly. Monitor website performance. It is important to monitor your website's performance to identify any potential issue. There are a number of different tools that you can use to monitor your website performance. Get help from professionals. If you are not comfortable performing WordPress maintenance by yourself, you can hire professionals to do it. There are a number of different companies that offer WordPress maintenance. Well, we can also help you with that. Question 4. How often should I perform WordPress maintenance? The frequency of WordPress maintenance will depend on a number of factors such as the size and complexity of your website and the amount of traffic that it receives. However, it is a good idea to perform at least a basic maintenance task such as updating your software, backing up your websites on a monthly basis. Question 5. How often I should update my WordPress core, plugins and themes? WordPress cores, plugins and themes should be updated as soon as possible after a new version is released. Updates often include security patches and bug fixes, so it is important to install them as soon as possible to keep your website safe and secure. Question 6. How can I improve the performance of my WordPress website? Well, there are a number of things you can do to improve performance of your WordPress websites. That includes using cache plugin, optimizing images, minifying your CSS and JavaScript files, using content delivery network that is called CDN. Question 7. What are some security measures I can take to protect my WordPress website? There are a number of measures you can take to protect your WordPress websites, including using strong passwords, keeping your WordPress core plugins, themes up to date, and third, installing the security plugins. Question 8. How can I back up my WordPress website? There are a number of ways to back up your WordPress website. Using backup plugin, manually backing up your database and files, and third, using a cloud backup service. And the final one, what are some common WordPress maintenance mistakes to avoid? Some common WordPress maintenance mistakes to avoid includes not updating your WordPress website core plugins, themes on regular basis, not backing up your website regularly, not taking security measurements to protect your website, making changes to your website without testing them first. WordPress maintenance is an important part of keeping your website running smoothly and securely. By following the best practices, you can help your WordPress website running smoothly and securely. If you have any other questions about WordPress maintenance, please feel free to leave comments below and drop me a message. In the link below, you will get a free guide of best tools, plugins, and in-depth information about performing maintenance check in WordPress website. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you in next video.